Here at Fiberoptics Technology, we operate a continuous production line and 10 advanced fiber drawing towers, many running multiple shifts to meet growing demand from our customers and value-added partners. In recent years, we modernized our entire operation, upgrading from analog to digital, expanding capabilities and increasing capacity. Every system in our facility is designed, built, tested, and installed by our own engineers and technicians. What began as an expansion quickly evolved into a breakthrough, dramatically deepening our understanding of fiber behavior and the science of fiber drawing. Today, we draw fiber across 3 locations, 2 in Connecticut and 1 in Florida. We produce standard fiber bundles in lengths from a few inches up to 31.5 feet, or in continuous runs with seamless respooling. We also produce 31.5-foot fiber ribbons up to 18 inches wide, offered in numerical apertures of 0.87, 0.66, 0.57, 0.55, 0.48, 0.45, 0.43, 0.25, and 0.22. While our standard flexible fiber diameter is 50 microns, we can draw from 12 microns to 400 microns. For rigid fibers and image guides, we can draw up to 1-inch diameter, a capability unmatched in the industry. We maintain diameter tolerances of plus or minus 10% with the option to tighten to plus or minus 3% for specialized runs. Every lot includes complete, traceable, quality assurance documentation. In 2023, after years of research and material testing, we launched our own fiber family, PureWave. PureWave embodies our philosophy: provide customers the fiber they need at the best possible price point. We offer standard, high quality, economy, lead-free, autoclavable, thin wall, and heavy wall fiber made in-house. PMMA, IR, and UV fibers come from our trusted partners. Nearly all except PMMA are manufactured in the USA across a full range of multi-mode step index fiber types. Today, our digital draw towers and PureWave fiber family have become essential tools for designers seeking performance, precision, and value from a company doing it right since 1977.